Well, it's been 5 hours, believe it or not. I should have got here earlier. We went out for lunch, and see, it's all nice and dry. It's plenty dry. Plenty, I'll say. And so I've got to get on it because it's going to be dark in about 2.5 hours, but that gives me plenty of time to get this on and plenty of time for it to dry, I think, to skin over before it gets too late. Okay, cool. Now I just poured most of the rest of this gallon container into my pan, and I've already cut in around the edges, and I'm ready to pull this out. This has been 5 hours. And I feel confident that this plastic has kept this roller wet. Just like I got it ready from before, and sure enough, it's all ready to go. It's still wet from before. And that's pretty much ready. You know what? I said I cut in everything. I actually cut in around underneath the columns and just one little bit around, but I didn't go up next to this over here. And I was hoping I had enough. I'm pretty sure I do. Because I was thinking maybe I shouldn't cut in until I get all done. And then I'd have to cut in tomorrow after I scrape the roller cover to have enough. Because when I get done, there's going to be all kinds in the roller cover. Yeah, I didn't get that. I didn't get that bit. And I also didn't get, so I got everywhere except there and this edge over here. I don't know. Actually, did I get that? No, I don't think I did. I don't think I did. So I'm just going to quickly do that with my brush. Everywhere else. Okay. That's probably good. Keep my brush right here in case I need it. And where I built that edge up, I built this up, remember, in here from before. And I don't think I'm going to build it up this time. I think I've got it just about where I need it. And now I can just keep rolling this. If you were doing this on a roof where you were going over an existing roof, it tells you on the second coat you got to go the opposite direction. You know, I'd have to go this way along in here, because the first time I went this way then you want to go the other way. That way you get all the nooks and crannies. But this is a brand new floor, so I'm not really too concerned about that. Put it on nice and thick, as thick as I can. Let's see, once I get it on there, then it's only so thick I can do it before it wants to roll back on itself. That's why I decided to do more coats, so I could build it up little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit, like a big, huge rubber floor. Sure I watch out where I go so I don't step in it, huh? I got plenty for this coat. Plenty. Make sure I don't step in it. It's kind of hard to see where I've gone and where I haven't gone. Kind of. Get it on thick and move along. I doubt very seriously this is going to leak. That didn't take long. That 6-inch roller. Be a little bit more on there. Okay, there it is. There she be. Let's see if I can just stick on a little bit more just for the heck of it. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. Okay. Now, that's it. So I want you to see how much material I can get out of this roller.